Hey, what's up everyone on YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about the 7-inch LED light bar. It's made by oEdRo. And this actually comes with a 3-year warranty and it's rated at 54 watts. Show you what the contents are. Comes with a bag of a nut, bolt, washer for the mounting. And here is a light. Let's remove this. Says oEdRo on both sides right there. Feels nice and sturdy, and the wire is very well insulated, but it does just have the power and negative open ends on here. We have 18 LEDs, and each of those LED modules are actually rated at 3 watts, so that makes up the total of 54. Take a look at it from back here. You can see the fins to help keep it cool, and this is waterproof and dustproof, and it is rated at IP67. Mounting bracket here in the back, an Allen wrench. It's actually adjustable, so you can adjust the angle of it and also slide it back and forth. And so this does go on a vehicle or any power source that's 12 volts or 24 volts. Either one will work. Let's look at the seal. It's nicely sealed. It looks like it's got a rubber gasket all around where the sides are. And this on Amazon is going for $24.99 with free shipping if you have the Prime. My initial reaction, it does feel like it has some weight to it. oEdRo does make really good products. I've actually installed some headlight bulbs on a 2012 Civic, and still working very well and still very bright and way better than halogen lights. So I'm pretty excited to try this LED bar. Once again, it's a 7-inch. They do make different sizes, but initial reaction is that it feels and looks like a very great product. And this actually does have a protective film that we'll be removing, so in case you see some weird awkward glares. Another thing I'd like to point out is that this is sold by Yita Motor on Amazon, and so I will be placing a link to this product in the description for you guys to check out. To test the 7-inch LED bar, what I'm going to do is hook it up with this 12-volt cigarette lighter input into the cigarette lighter hookup. And what I did is I wired it with a negative and a positive to hook it up to the negative and the positive on the actual LED bar. As you saw earlier, there weren't any connections on this, but I put some quick release connections on there, males and females, and then that way when I plug it in, it'll turn on. And we'll go ahead and test it outside also, so you can see how it projects light. You can actually see it project that light. Once you mount it to your vehicle, you actually get a long stream of light going out. Lights up the whole roadway just nicely. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.